As the Department of Agriculture, DA, strengthens measures to prevent price increases on food products due to oil price surges, price monitoring in markets also intensifies. PTV's Gab Villegas gets us up to speed on current pricing on fish, meat, chicken, and vegetables at the Mega Q-Mart.
71-year-old Nanay Lerma shopped early at Mega Q-Mart today for the things she will prepare for her grandchild's birthday today. Whenever Mother's Day approaches, she always serves menudo, a family favorite on the dining table. She also shared how they will prepare for Mother's Day this coming Sunday.
Paghahanda namin ng simple lang.
23-year-old Dayla plans to buy ingredients to be used for cooking sinigang. She also has a plan in mind on how she will celebrate Mother's Day with her mother.
Kasi lagi na namin itong ginagawa, yung mamili. Baka magluto ng mga pagkain din, mga pagkain na gusto niya, ganun.
The current price of round scad or galunggong at Mega Q-Mart is 200 pesos per kilo. Mackerel tuna or tambakol is priced at 140 pesos per kilo. Milkfish or bangus ranges from 180 to 220 pesos per kilo, while the price per kilo of tilapia is 140 pesos. When it comes to pork, the price per kilo for pork chop, lean meat, shoulder or kasim, and ground pork is 340 pesos, while pork belly or liempo costs 400 pesos per kilo. The price for a whole chicken is 180 pesos per kilo, while choice cuts are priced at 210 pesos per kilo. For vegetables, the price of onions is 140 pesos per kilo, while the price of garlic is 160 pesos per kilo. Tomatoes are 80 pesos per kilo, while ginger costs 250 pesos per kilo. And small chili peppers or siling labuyo are 200 pesos per kilo. The Department of Agriculture or DA previously stated that they are strengthening measures to prevent the rise of food prices caused by the oil price shock. Some of the steps currently being taken by the DA include establishing dedicated food lanes where toll fees have been removed for vehicles transporting agricultural products, and reducing port charges to speed up delivery and lower logistics costs. The department has also intensified price monitoring in markets to ensure that the markup imposed on sold products is reasonable. The government is also accelerating the implementation of the Benteng Bigas Meron Na program as well as the Rice for All program. The government is also prepared to implement a price cap of 50 pesos per kilo on imported rice if price pressure continues. Leila has this message for her mother.
Happy Mother's Day! I love you, Ma.
Gab Humilde Villegas from the National TV Network for You and Better Philippines.